Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set trending filter on Instagram story. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store app, tap on Play Store, and from here tap on search bar and tap on Instagram. After that, tap on Instagram, and from here you make sure that update your Instagram app. I am already update. After update your Instagram app, go back your home screen and open your Instagram app. Tap on this, and from here tap on plus icon, and from here tap on story. You as can see show trending filter, and go your search bar, go your filter search bar, tap on this and tap on trending filter. You as can see tap on this. You as can see show trending filter on Instagram. Choose anyone, and after that tap on search bar and tap on trending filter. You as can see show many trending filters on Instagram story. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.